Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we do all the heavy lifting so you can make the smartest purchases. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums, because who has time to vacuum anymore? We're comparing the Tikom G8000 and the Tikom L8000. It's a battle of the bots. Will the G8000 sweep you off your feet, or will the L8000 mop the floor with the competition? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the price. The G8000 is priced at $299. Not bad, right? But then we have the L8000, flexing its financial muscles at $399. That's a whole $100 more. Reviewers mention that the G8000 offers great value for the price, especially with its efficient cleaning patterns and quiet operation. Meanwhile, the L8000, although pricier, is praised for its advanced features and superior performance. So is it worth the extra dough? Let's dig deeper. Navigation is crucial for these little helpers. The G8000 brags about its gyroscope smart navigation with a zigzag path, like it's doing the cha-cha around your living room. Reviewers appreciate how it avoids getting stuck and lifts itself out of tricky spots. Meanwhile, the L8000 is like a mini Tesla with 360 degrees LiDAR navigation. It can map your home and plan its route without bumping into your furniture like a drunk uncle at a wedding. Reviewers love its precise navigation and ability to store multiple maps. Advantage L8000. Now, let's get to the sucky part. Suction power. The G8000 gives you a respectable 2700 PA. Reviewers say it's great at picking up dirt and pet hair, performing well on both hardwood and carpets. But the L8000, it's bringing 3000 PA to the party. That's like comparing a vacuum cleaner to a black hole. Reviewers rave about its powerful suction and quiet operation. L8000, you win this round too. Both vacuums are 2-in-1 sweepers and moppers. The G8000 has an electronically controlled water pump and 3-level water output. Fancy, right? Reviewers find the mop function comparable to a Swiffer wet mop, making it a solid choice. But the L8000 is like, hold my mop, with its multiple cleaning modes and the same 3-level water output. Plus, it has a larger dustbin and water tank. So if you have a big mess, the L8000's got your back. Both vacuums can be controlled via an app and work with Alexa and Google Home. The G8000 has 5 cleaning modes, which reviewers find quite versatile. However, the L8000 takes it up a notch with customizable cleaning modes, virtual walls, and no-go zones. You can practically tell it, hey, avoid that Lego minefield in the living room, and it'll listen. Reviewers love the convenience and advanced control features of the L8000. Sorry, G8000, but the L8000 is the smarter sibling here. Battery life is another biggie. The G8000 Auto returns to its charging station when it's low on juice. Cool, reviewers appreciate its reliability and ease of use. But the L8000, it runs for a whopping 150 minutes and even resumes cleaning from where it left off after recharging. It's like the Energizer Bunny of robot vacuums. Reviewers are impressed with its long battery life and seamless operation. L8000, you're on fire! Both the Tikom G8000 and L8000 have garnered positive reviews. The G8000 is praised for its affordability, efficient cleaning, and quiet operation, making it a great value choice. On the other hand, the L8000 is lauded for its advanced navigation, powerful suction, and smart features, positioning it as a premium option. Reviewers appreciate the specific strengths of each model, helping you choose based on your budget and needs. So there you have it, folks. The G8000 is a solid choice if you're looking to save some bucks. But if you want the creme de la creme of robot vacuums, the L8000 is the clear winner. It's smarter, stronger, and just plain better. Remember, you heard it here first on Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Also, check out the product links in the description. Until next time, keep those floors clean and your wallet happy.